so I did my eyebrows off camera because nobody needs to know how I do them. Anyways, I'm just gonna do my eyelids. As always, I'm going to be taking this brush in the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm going to be taking this shade and just putting that as my transition color. Then the next shade I'm going to take is this one. Then to add a little bit more depth, I'm gonna take this, can you see it? I don't know. I'm gonna be taking this shade and I'm gonna be putting that into my crease. Say my name, tell the truth, who you with, how would you like it if? I'm gonna take this shade and this shade kind of mixed together, or maybe yeah. I'm gonna take them, mix them together and put that onto my lid. Actually, never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna take the darker shade that I pointed out. Yeah, that one. Bye. I'm gonna put that onto my lid. That's cute. That looks cute. Oh. So I'm just going to come back with some lashes. I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild face primer face primer. Putting that all over. Then I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty foundation. And I'm going to mix that with the LA Girl Pro Coverage, because this is a bit too light for me. Apply that all over my face. So just gonna be blending in with my Red Chance Beauty Blender. Oh my god, I'm so popular. So then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Basically, I do my face makeup the same as my previously all of my videos, because I don't have a lot of makeup. I'm just going to blend that in. Then I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me powder to set that under my eyes. So then I'm going to be taking a flat brush and then taking some of that powder and setting the rest of my face. So then I'm going to be taking the Anastasia contour kit and these brushes. And one of these brushes, I'm going to be taking this shade and putting that as my bronzer. Believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the voice. Okay, then I'm going to be taking this contour brush in the middle shade and just contouring my face. But you cannot say my name. I always say that I am a super thing. Then I'm going to be wiping that bake off under my eyes and everywhere. We're saying everything to me times two. Why can't you just tell the truth? If somebody said, then tell me who. Say my name, say my. Then I'm going to be taking that middle shade and kind of placing that everywhere I put the bake. Okay, so I'm going to be taking that powder again and just baking under my contour. Then I'm going to be taking this kind of brush. I don't know what it's called. Anyways, then I'm going to take the middle shade out of the Anastasia palette and just contouring my nose. So I'm going to be taking this blush by Maybelline. I'm going to be taking this angle brush and just putting that onto my cheeks. Then I'm going to be taking this highlight by e.l.f. in the color Moonlight Pearls. I'm just going to be adding that to my cheeks and highlighting with that. Then to finish off the eyes, I'm going to take all the colors that I put on top of my eye and put that on the under my lash line. And this part I don't really care about, so I just kind of go in there, all the colors. Say my name, tell the truth, who you with, how would you like it if I came over with my clique? Then I'm going to be taking a smaller brush and then going into that shade. In the house, it's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself when I just heard the... And then going into that darker shade. Now for the inner corners, I'm going to be taking this shade. I'm just going to wipe off the bake under right here. And then apply some mascara on the bottom. Okay, so then I'm going to be taking Ruby. Where's my lipsticks? You got them. Stop. I was gonna use that. You can use it again, sister. Anyways, okay. So then I'm gonna be using this Wet n Wild liquid catsuit in the color Give Me Mocha. Should I put it all over my lips? Bitch, that is too much. That is, oops, whatever. And then I'm going to be taking some of this LA Colors. It was clear lip gloss. And just, it smells so good. I'm going to put this all over my lips. I'm done. I hope you like it. And everything. Just see you next week, hopefully, if I really